You want to make money with email marketing, but you're not sure how to start it.
I'm not really sure.
It can be tough to figure out how to start making money with email marketing. There are so many different ways to do it. It can be hard to know which one is right for you. We got you covered. In this video, we'll give you 3 tips on how to make money with email marketing. We'll show you how to build a list of subscribers, send targeted content, and increase sales. Following these steps, you can start making money with email marketing today. Watch the video till end where I share my bonus tips on how to make money with email marketing. Hey there, inspiring affiliate marketers. If you want to get started in this lucrative and exciting field of affiliate marketing, you've come to the right place. My name is Yogesh and I'm a successful affiliate marketer who's been in this business for a number of years. In this channel, I focus on helping beginners learn the ropes and become successful in affiliate marketing. So, if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing or want to see some of my top tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for all the new notifications. I promise you that you won't regret. And our video starts now. Email marketing can be a lucrative way to make money, but it takes time and effort to build a list of subscribers and send them targeted content. Those of you who are watching this video, let me know in the comment if you have an email list. Answer yes or no in the comment. So let's go. Here are the 3 tips to help you start making money with email marketing. Tip number 1, start by building a list of subscribers. Email marketing can be a great way to make money online. The first step to making money with email marketing is to build a list of subscribers. You can do this by offering something of value such as free ebook or a report in exchange for people's email address. Once you have a list of subscribers, you can start sending out regular emails with the content that will interest them. You can also include links to the products and services that you recommend that will help them with whatever problems they have. You will earn commission if the people click on these links and make purchases. With a large list of subscribers, and email marketing can be a great way to generate income. You can also hop onto my website utilizeyourbusiness.com and see that's where I have people offering them a free ebook in exchange for their emails. I'm offering them a free ebook on how to be successful in affiliate marketing. Check it out. It's utilizeyourbusiness.com. Moving along, let's talk about tip number 2. Send them targeted content that promotes product and services. One of the most important things to remember is that your subscribers are only going to be interested in hearing about the products and services that are relevant to them. Once you have a list of subscribers, it's important to send them targeted content. This means sending emails that are relevant to their interests, not yours, their interests. For example, if you have a blog about travel, you could send them an email with travel deals or tips for planning a trip. If you have a website about gardening, you could send them an email with gardening tips or product recommendation. By sending targeted content, you'll be more likely to interest your subscribers and generate income. Another important tip is to keep your email short and to the point. No one wants to read an long, rambling email, so make sure you get point across quickly and clearly. And finally, don't forget to include call of action to tell your subscribers what you want them to do, whether it's clicking through to your website or making a purchase. If you follow these simple tips, you'll be well on your way to making money with email marketing. Now, let's talk about tip number 3. Use email marketing to drive traffic to your website or blog and increase sales. Email marketing can be a great way to drive traffic to your website or a blog. You can include links in your email that direct subscribers to your site and then earn money through advertising or affiliate sales. Another way to profit from email marketing is to sell products or services directly through your messages. You can provide links that take the subscribers to a landing page where they can make a purchase or include a form that allows them to sign up for a trial or make an appointment. When people click on these links, they'll be taken to your site where they can learn more about what you have to offer. You can also use email marketing to increase sales. For example, you could include a special discount code in your email that subscribers can use when they make purchase on your site. So these were the 3 tips that I talked about. Let me know in the comment which of these tips you were surprised at, and those of you who still haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notified for all the new videos that we come out pretty much every week. Now, don't leave. Let's talk about the bonus tip that I mentioned in the start of my video. Bonus tip, as always, test and measure the result of your email campaign. Email marketing can be a great way to make money by building a list of subscribers and then sending them a timely, relevant information. You can create a loyal following who will eventually want to buy what you're selling. The key to success with email marketing is to always test and measure the result of your campaign. This means trying different subject lines, call to action, and offer to see which one gets the best response from your audience. It's also important to segment your list so that you only send relevant information to those who are interested in it. With a little effort, and email marketing can be a great way to make money. Let me share you another tip, how to write an email. Why about using a Jasper? Jasper is a tool that uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to help you write amazing email quickly. You can use Jasper to write 5 times more content in a fraction of time, making it easier and faster to get your message across. Now, I've been using Jasper for all of my content, be it the blogging, be it the YouTube, writing a YouTube script for the videos, and also for this video, and also using it to social media posts. Jasper is offering, there's a free trial, link will be in the description. I encourage you to go ahead and click the link and at least try it freely to see Jasper makes sense for your business. If it does, go ahead and get a subscription to it. If not, no, doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. After the trial is over, you can go back to the way you're writing emails or any of the other content you want. But make sure you try the Jasper. Link will be in the description. In conclusion, email marketing can be a great way to make money, but only if you do it right. By following these simple tips, you'll be well on your way to making money with email marketing. Remember to target your content, keep your emails short and to the point, and always include a call to action. And always test and measure the result of your campaign so that you can continue to improve your result. With a little effort, email marketing can be a great way to boost your income. If you're still watching this video, I'm guessing you agree with what I have to say and enjoy the content so far. Why not subscribe to this channel and press the bell for notification for all the new forthcoming videos? We pretty much come with the new videos every week. I hope you enjoyed this video on 3 tips on how to make money with email marketing. If you're looking for more great video to help beginners affiliate marketer achieve success in the business, be sure to check out my next video on this page. In it, I discuss the 7 best email marketing tips. Keep watching to learn more about how you can improve your email marketing campaign for a successful. It's sure to be helpful, informative, and lots of fun. Click the link and thanks for watching.